Okay, let me check if I'm live. Okay, am I live? I think I'm live. I'm waiting for Stream Element to tell me that I'm live. Okay. Stream Element told me I'm live. Yeah. It's so good. Like this is Alt plus tilde, not Alt plus tab. This is Alt tab, right? This is Alt tab, and then this is Alt plus tilde. Yeah. I just learned that. I think it's cool. So yeah, but today we're just gonna today we're gonna continue learning Golang. If we go to dev. This is the thing that I'm building. I'll show you this guys later. But for now let's go to courses first. Courses there. Yeah, let's go here first. And then let's have it here. There. Much better. Okay, much better. I think I can mute this. Yeah, yeah. I only need my mic. Okay. Oh, I should have waited. Go dev docs. Oh my god, I forgot how slow. I forgot how slow the. Why is the. I don't know why it's so slow. I mean, my internet is not that. My internet's not slow, okay? See, it's kind of fast. Like if we go to speed test, for example. Speed test. Now you guys will know where I'm from. But I don't really care. See, it's not that slow. I think it's not my issue, it's the issue of, yeah, on their side. I hate it. I hate it so much. Like those guy. Is this fast enough? I actually want to learn this. Like building a server from scratch. Because the thing that I've built, right? Okay, while we're waiting, this will take a while. This will take a really long time. So while we're waiting, I'll just show you guys what I've been doing. Because I haven't been streaming. Like if you check my Twitch, right? If you check my Twitch, let's see. Check my Twitch. Oops, never mind. Channel. See. Oh, you cannot see the past videos. That is weird. I thought you could see it. Okay. Maybe here. See other. October 13th. It's been a long time. It's been a week since my last stream. I mean, I should be streaming more often, but yeah, should happen, man. Oh, there, it's done. It's downloading. Never mind. I'll show you guys later. I'll show you what I've been doing later. Okay. Okay. This is hard. This is kind of hard, but okay. So I'm already done with the tutorial. I mean, I'm not already done with the tutorial, but I'm done with the most of the stuff, right? Like for example, where's it? Tutorial. If you go to tutorial, I'm done with this up to here. I don't think I need to learn this for now. Maybe in the future I'll go back. But before that, I think I'll go with the tour of Go first. So I'll set myself a timer. Why a timer? Because I want. So let's go with 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Okay. The reason why I'm adding a timer is so I could. Yeah, I'll just do this for 60 minutes and then I'll code. I'll continue I'll show you what I've been doing and I'll continue it. It's the thing that I'm doing later. Yeah. Okay. So let's just do this. So go to tab and then this is pretty much I'm done with this, right? Wait a minute. I'm done with this. I'll just put it. I guess it's different. Yeah, I guess it's different. So I'll just put this here. Tour of Go. And then cd tour of Go. Cd go.dev / tour of Go. I don't know if I'm even gonna need this, but okay, because there's already this thing. Maybe I wouldn't need it. I don't know. Let's see, look at tour of Go. The tour is divided into a list of modules. Clicking on a tour of Go on the left top of the page. And this will be the table of contents. Okay, previews. Okay, I can see it. Click run, shift enter to compile and run the program on this remote server. Okay. Okay, this example programs demonstrate different aspects of Go. The reason why I'm doing tour of Go is because I've done the tutorials, right? But I don't actually know the fundamentals of Go. I just, a lot of what I know about Go is based on my previous knowledge of other programming languages. So I want to go back to the fundamentals. And after this, I wanna check out effective Go, which is kind of like Pep8 in Python. But yeah, for now, let's focus on tour of Go. When you click on format, Control plus enter, the text is formatted using the Go format tool. Okay, so like if I press enter and then I format, okay. How about if I press this and I format? I don't understand. Okay, never mind. Control press enter. When you're ready to move, click the right arrow or type page down key. I don't have a. I think this is shift. Fn. Okay, it's Fn page down. I'm using a 60% keyboard. That's why. The tour is also available as a standalone program that you can use without access to the internet. It builds and runs the code samples on your own machine. That's interesting. We'll open a web accessory. That's so cool. No, not pause. Page down. This tour is built atop the Go playground. Okay. Okay. Shift enter, right? Shift enter 2009, 11, 10. Okay. Use the latest stable release version of Go. You finished the first one. Okay. Now click on the tour of Go to find out. Correct. Okay. Every Go program is made of packages. Programs start running in package main. This program is using packages with imports format and math at random. By convention, the package name is the same as the last. Convention, the package name is the same as the last element of the import path. Okay. Math, right? Then what is math? By convention, the package name is. I understand it. I understand that this is this, right? But what is math? Is it like from the root of Go? Like wherever library that Go is, wherever this is stored, right? Math and then go down and then it's run. Maybe? I don't know. Random number. Is it shift enter or control? Okay, shift enter. And then it should be a different number. And okay, and the next one. Okay. Fn page down. Page up. Page down. Okay, interesting. This code groups the import into parenthesized factored import statements. You can also write. Yeah. I mean, if you're using Go format, it like for example, if I do what he's doing, right? If I do this and then copy it here, and I press Shift Enter, I mean, control enter. Yeah, it will just auto format it. This is why I like Go, because in Python you need like an external tool to format the code. In Go, it's like it's built in. Ah, it's so good. It's so good that it's built in. Uh, yeah. No, yeah. G is G a float? Wait, no, I don't have to. Percent G format string. Golang. I keep on forgetting what it means. Percent G. This is a float for large exponents. F otherwise. Percent. Floating point. Okay, yeah. It's for a float. So EFG. I guess so. It's like EFG. Yeah. Name is exported if it begins with a capital letter. Yeah. I'm aware of this. It's actually really cool that they have this kind of convention. Instead of like manually exporting it, right? Like in JavaScript, you can just capitalize it and it's immediately understood by the compiler that this is supposed to be exported. It's a public thing, right? And any lowercase is a private thing. It's cool. I really like it. I like the design choice. A name exporter. Pizza is fine. It's exported for the math package. Pizza and pie do not start with a capital. Yeah. Outside the package. On the code, notice the error message. Shift enter. I keep on forgetting. And define math.py. And then it should run. Okay. A function can take 0 more arguments. In this example, add takes 2 parameters, type int. Yeah. Note that the type comes after the value variable. Yeah, it is kind of similar to Python, but in Python we have a colon here, so it's like it's x colon int. And in other languages it's like int x, like C, C++, it's int x. So it's kind of interesting that it's like variable and then type. I don't know why they did that. Maybe it's a design choice. Oh, there's actually an article about it. Hmm. Yeah, there. This is what I'm referring to. Dito ko na siya. Okay. FP is a pointer to a function. Because if you write the expression, okay, so it's a design choice for readability. Right. Char star. C days. I remember this my C days. My thing is the name in the middle. often followed by, yeah, outside the C family. But Python is, I would argue Python is part of the C family. Mm-hmm. This is the return type, right? This is a return type. This is inside the function. And this is a lambda function or an anonymous function. I wonder why A doesn't have a type. A doesn't have a type, but B has a type. Oh, I think it's both A and B is int. I think that's what this means. Yeah. Yeah, it's returning A plus B. So yeah, both A and B is int. But I wouldn't do this. I think if it was me, I would type both. I prefer it to be more explicit. And that proves this. Mm. Yeah, it's the same with multiplication. Okay, it's a fair argument. I like it. I like the argument. It's more readable. I never really thought about it. I never really thought about it. Yeah. Mm, do a Morgan signature for share type. Yeah, you can do this. Yeah, that's what happened. And the AB ent give me the type form. Okay. And I shift enter. I keep on forgetting it's shift enter. Why is it not working? Hmm? Okay, you have to click it. Hmm? Non-declaration state. Ah. 55. Page down. A function can return any number of results. The swap function returns 3 strings. Mm-hmm. Hello world swap. World hello. Right. Okay. Ghost return values may be named, so if so, they're treated as variables defined at the top of the function. Oh, I did not know that. I thought that. I did not know that. That's actually interesting. I did not know that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna refactor one of the thing that I'm working on, because I was not aware of that. I thought return values cannot be named and it's just the types. I thought this was just types. Yeah, this is now I'm glad I checked out tour of Go. Yeah, this name should be used to document the meaning of the return values. A return statement without arguments returns the name. Return values. Naked return. I don't understand what naked return statement should return statement without arguments returns the name return values. Hmm? Ah, this one. I was like wondering what the fuck does this mean? Oh, yeah, it's not returning anything, but it will return X and Y. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know how I feel about that. Hmm. 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 Yeah, they can harm readability. I'm like, what the hell? Why would you do that? 710. Okay. Speed 17. Interesting. The var statement declares a list of variables as in function. Maybe instead of like VS Code, right? This thing. Because I'm not following a tutorial anymore. I can just maybe go to Obsidian and then how do I say it? I can just continue this and then maybe this. Yeah, it's like tour of Go. And something that I wanna stuff like this, right? Name return values. I wanna take note of that because that's funk funk. Actually no, funk name. One type return name type. I did not know you could do this. Or maybe I can just do this. No. So interesting. Return name. And then variable. Did I miss other things here? Ah, okay, okay. Name return values. Omit type. Same type. Omit type. Same type. Omit inline. Inline. Inline declaration. Omit type if inline. Can oh wait, no. XY int. Okay. Or that's int and then some int. Yeah. Did I miss anything? Is there more arguments? Exported names. I already know this. Imports. Okay. Multiple returns. I know this. Ascend function, the type is last. The for statement can be package or function level. Okay, package or okay, it's still scope. It's scope. So this thing I cannot be like this will throw an error. I equals to 0. This will throw an error. See? But yeah. Here focus. It's scope. Good to know it's scoped. Variables with initializers. A variable can include one per variable. I did not know that. What? Okay. Interesting. But wouldn't this be confusing? I think I wouldn't do this because I would be confused reading this. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just skill issue, right? Skill issue. Yeah, I'd prefer to separate the types and the declaration. Or you just remove the var int and then just use the colon equals. But I don't know. Yeah, the short variable declaration. This one can be used in place of var, implicit type. Yeah. The type is inferred. What's that a function? Every statement begins. Ah, okay. So you cannot do x1. This will throw an error. But this will work. For and interesting. Interesting. Okay. So uh go x plus 1 0. This will throw error. This is okay. This will throw an error. Does not exist. Cannot exist. Available. I was spelling of available. Avail. Oh, available outside function. Use var instead. For what and pick someone. Okay. Okay, now basic types. Those basic types are bool, string, int. It's the bits, right? uint is unassigned int, so it doesn't accept negative values. Okay. Int 16. Unsigned int. It's just positive values. Yeah. Byte alias for uint 8. Okay. Rune. Okay. Oh, it doesn't have a lots of types. That's interesting. It's so simple. You would expect more types, but actually no. What is this? Uint pointer. What the hell is uint pointer? Golang uint pointer type. What the hell is this? Okay. So is there to bypass the type system? My logo. Hmm. Okay. That's interesting. So okay, you don't use it. That's why I was like, why is this here? Why is that here? Hmm. Interesting. I wonder what complex is. It shows where. Yeah, yeah. Unsigned intention. Interesting. It depends on the OS. It's interesting. Now my question is, what is complex Golang? Hmm. Okay. I don't do a lot of math on web, or at least the projects that I do work with, but I would imagine this would be useful. Otherwise, hmm, this is shifting, bit shift. Ah, I don't know what this means. N64. What the hell does this mean? Shift. I know this is shifting somehow. Shift bytes go. Yeah. You shift. This is shifting. Anyway, should I? Is there something interesting here? Hmm. Hmm. I know there's byte rune floats. Yeah, mostly I'm gonna use string int floats and byte. Maybe runes bulls. Mostly this. Yeah, nothing. Zero values without given there's zero values. Yeah, zero numeric type, false for boolean type, empty string. Mm, cool. Yeah, cool. Should be zero false. Oh no, 0.0 or is it zero? Now I'm curious. Yeah, the server died. Sorry. The expression TV converts the value V to that. Ah, now I get it. So that's how you convert. Interesting. Interesting. It's, because there was this one problem where I had to convert a type. I mean, yeah, and I didn't understand why I could just do, yeah, I could just do the string something, string one, type conversion. This is type, and then value. Right, int equals to 42, and then for f float equals to float I. Yeah, plus 64. It doesn't matter. Oh, I can. I can even remove the. But I think I'll be explicit for now because it's my notes. And then the request explicit conversion. Yeah, it will throw an error because the compiler will tell you that the types is wrong if you don't convert the type. Type interference. Yeah, Go can infer type. Okay, int, float, or complex. Interesting. Percent %t is the type. Ah, it's interesting. Percent %t format. Type of the value. I did not know that. Okay. Default format v. Hmm. And printing structs. I wonder how that works. Sorry, did not see that. Hmm. Okay, I'm just waiting. Okay. Okay. I'm back, boys. I'm back. Where's VS Code? Guess I don't have VS Code. Ah. Oh my god, it's editor. The percent %t is type. Percent %t is type. Format printf. Printf, right? Yeah. Yeah. Actually, there's something I want to check. My bad. Okay, let's go with courses, and then let's go with why is this here? Should be here. Okay. City. Dev, and then go run dot. There's none. There's because there's no go init, go mod init sample test, and then actually I can just do main, and then formatted println. There's something I want to see, like for example, if I have a type struct, right? Let's say for example this is a user, and then this is a, let's say, first name string, last name string, and then email, let's say string. Well, I want a different type. Let's say different type, user password. Let's just put password. No, password is a string. To age. Let's just put age. Yeah. So let's say that. Let's say for example I have an arbitrary user. Let's say var user var user. Now I can just do this. Right? And let's say first name is let's say tests, and then last name is testing, test user. Test user email is test@gmail.com, and age is 99. So I want to print it, right? There's this thing here that I'm curious, because it states that is this it? The struct one. Where was it? I read somewhere. Where is it? It prints the struct values with this type. I don't remember where I read it. It's this. I mean, not type, but like it prints the struct plus the field name. Maybe that's it. Let me see. User. Okay, why is it not working? Def. And then go run. Let's see. Interesting. Main.user. What if I just do %v test? Oh. Okay. This is almost what I want, except why is there main.user? Maybe because where the package is, which is package main. Can you print it without printing the the package name. So it's cool though. It's cool that you could do that. Yeah. So I should be using vmore, right? Ah, this plus. Maybe it's plus, not percent. Maybe what I'm looking for is plus, not a hash percent. Okay. I'm still thinking about it. Adds field names. Which is better? This is definitely better. Yeah. Of the value. Go syntax representation of the value. Yeah. But I can also get away with this if I'm printing structs. The reason why I'm fixated on this is more of like when you have like an error message, right? Because currently the way I'm doing it is like for example, if I have a struct, right, and then have like this if error equals nil, and then you print out the error. Let's say format that error f, like return. For example, you're returning an error, or if you're printing an error, then okay, format the printf, printf, right? And then normally I would do this, and then w, this is like the error message. No, it's not w because I'm printing. Like this will be error. Let's say for example, have a arbitrary test function, test func, which returns test, which returns maybe like this int, and it returns test int and then error message, error. Yeah, and then let's say return test error that new. Mix name it. Okay. I wonder define test. I mean var test. Oh, okay. So maybe it's something like test and error, and then error that new. It's still not working. Error is not field. Okay, maybe let's do that, and then test func. Let's say then, and then test func, right? And then I'm not supposed to return anything, but let's say I'm just going to format print it. Okay. Usually I'll do this, and then I'll do like user, not user that, let's say name, first name, and user that. I mean, this is good and all, but like what happens is like what if this struct has like lots and lots of values, and then I usually do this. First name. Like error, and then this is like the error message. Somewhere here. I usually do this. And this gets really annoying once you have like a lot of values, especially if like you have a struct, right? Like what I've seen before. What if it's like blah 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 blah, like too many elements, right? And then you want to print out the thing that, because you want to debug it, so you want to know what caused the issue. So you want to print it out or log the error, whatever, right? You want to give as much information like what caused the issue, right? Yeah, and yeah, what I'm trying to show is that this gets really annoying once you add more fields here and then you add more arguments here. Or I mean, arguments, yeah. Once you add more arguments here, it gets really, really long. It's kind of cool that they have this percent plus and then percent hash. I never knew that that existed. Yeah. Anyways, let's move on. Constants are like declared. Oh, I never knew that constants exist in Go. This is the first time. The same thing. Okay, constants cannot be declared. Fair enough. I'll just close this. Okay, type conversions. Constants. Go. And then constants cannot be declared in the shorthand. Okay, the walrus one. Okay, numeric constants are high precision values. Okay. I hate it. There's no auto completion. This will throw an error, I assume. Yeah. Okay, page down. Okay. And we'll continue to the next lesson. Next lesson, for loops. I only know the I in range. I range. This one is similar to C, the classic one. Go has only one looping construct, the for loop. Oh, really? That's interesting. Because you okay. Okay. I was assuming there's also like while and do while. Because yeah, in C there's that. In Python there's I think there is. Wait, I'm actually doubting myself. I know. Is there a while loop? Is there a do while in Python? Okay. How about while? While in Python. I think there is while in Python, like while true. Okay, there's while. Okay, there's while. There's no do while. Okay. In C there's while, do while, and for loops. Yeah, C is C++, yeah. In Go there's only for loop. Interesting. The init statement executed. Okay. Conditional, and then the post, the increment. The init statement will often be a short variable declaration, and the values declared are visible only in the scope of. The loop will start iterating once the boolean condition involves. The braces are always required. Yeah. or continued. The init and posts are optional. This is the reason this you have this kind of weird syntax, right? Is because there's no while loop. Usually you'll just use a while loop here, like while sum less than 1000. Interesting. Loops, no while loops. No while, do while, just for I was 0, I less than 10, and then I plus plus. Is that it? Right? Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of similar. Are required. Not optional. Brackets are not optional. You can omit okay. And increment for init increment and are optional. On for is optional, like for I less than 10. With which you can remove semicolons. Okay, for I less than 10. That's interesting. C's while is spelled for and go. Interesting. Or yeah. Pretty much while. Nah, no while and do while just for. Interesting. Forever. Oh, okay. This is a forever loop. This is while true. Forever loop. Yeah, the while true. Infinite loop. I don't know why you would want to do that though. Like the infinite loop. Oh, I really need to replace my keyboard. Some of the keys are fading. Yeah, my keyboard is like maybe more than a year old already at this point. I want to replace it so bad. If even are like it's for loops, the expression need not be surrounded, but the press. Okay. Yeah, I'm aware of this. Next, I'll just finish this. If with a short statement. Like for the if statement can start with a short statement to execute before the mean. This one, like you can chain it, like you can chain if statements. Like what the hell? It's not really chaining, but like you can start. Interesting. Are only scope until the end of if. The last return statement. This will return an error because it's outside the if statement. I mean, if you put the v here. Okay, but that's really. Keeps on dying on me, man. This keeps on dying. I am so sorry. It's not my fault. It's blame Linux. Blame Linux. Okay, I can see that I'm still alive. I'm still streaming. You can see this icon here. Anyways, like for the if statement can start with a short statement to execute before the condition. This is really interesting. Yeah, there's like init, right? Oh my god. Yeah, I will not use alt tab. I'll only use alt colon. if init condition. Condition. If init condition. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. That is possible if because of the if init condition. Okay. Ooh, that's interesting. Scoping. And yo, that's interesting. That's interesting. I did not know this. I'm not sure if that's also the same case. No. I think it kind of is because usually you would declare this above, right, in other languages. Like if I was working at this with Python, it would be like v something, like v equals to 0 or v equals to math.pow, right? Whatever. And then if condition else. That's why v can be used in else, right? Because it's scoped, it's declared above, so you can imagine it's within the same scope. But like it's interesting that in Go, this thing, which is you would assume it's only scoped here, is also scoped here, which is interesting. Yeah, I find it interesting. Okay, scoping. Var declared in init on f can be access on else. F formatted print and this is okay. That's so interesting. Okay. The keyboard just broke. Okay. I can see that the timer is like, how do I say it? It's like done, right? It's done. It's not even alarming. Usually it would alarm. I think I know why there's no sound. It's because I muted I muted my audio. Yeah, I muted my audio. Anyways, okay. Page down is not working. Okay. Loops and functions. As a way to play with functions and loops, let's implement. I'll just finish this up to 14, up to the next module, and then we can. I'll take a break and then I'll continue with the project that I'm working on. As a way to play with functions and loops, let's implement a square root function. Given a number x, you want to find the number z, for which z squared is mostly x. As a way to play with functions and loops, let's implement a square root function. Okay. Compare the square root of x using a loop. This is an exercise. Hmm. Okay. I'm terrible at math. It's been a while since I've done like actual math stuff. 2z is the derivative of z squared. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, but there's already an algorithm, so I'll just use the algorithm. So I'll just copy this and then return z. Oh no, before returning z is a loop. You can just z based on how close z squared is to x, producing a better guess. Still don't have z. X is already here. Maybe I can do like for z not equals to x, right? Maybe I can do that, and then I would need to initialize z, so maybe for z equals 1. Float 64. Maybe I can do z float 64, something like this. Instead. And then z equals 1 or something. Or z equals x divided by 2. And then return z. Oh no. Wait. Wait a minute. This is wrong. I know this is wrong. We want to find for z not equal to x squared, so x times x. I don't want to keep on computing that, so I think I'll do like var squared equal x squared equals to x times x, right? So maybe I can do this, and then yeah, not equal to x squared. For z not equal to x squared. No. Oh, wait. Z times z. For z times z not equals to x. I'm so bad. Okay. But these are the return c. Okay. And then it should be 1.14 something. Timeout. Running program. I think because the loop never stopped. Maybe I'll how about I'll try to iterate at this one 0 equals to 0, right? And then I plus plus, then I can maybe do something like or I less than 10, less than 100, let's say 100 iterations, 100 iterations, and then it will stop. Timeout running the program. Why? I think this is this thing. Z times Z. Or X not equals to Z times Z. I wonder why it's not working. I'm gonna copy this and then I'm gonna go to VS Code, right? I'm gonna go to VS Code and I'm gonna run it locally because I don't know why it's saying timeout. I'm not sure why it's saying timeout. So, throw go. Oh no. Hmm. Yeah, I can just do exercise 1. Exercise 1, maybe. Is it? I'm not sure if that's the spelling. Maybe I'm so bad at spelling. Maybe that's the spelling of exercise. So package exercise 1 on we check. Thank main. Why is it wrong? Maybe I'm not supposed to do that. Okay, I'm not supposed to do that. Domain. That sucks. So. We can do maybe tour of Go, and then new exercise 1, and then cd turf go cd exercise 1 and go mod init go mod init example and then code main.go. Oh my god. No. Code main.go. Okay. Where is it again? Then go run that. No Go files. Because I haven't saved it. Why is it? I'm curious. Why? 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 What's making it loop forever? Let me check the for loops again. Yeah. Hell? Maybe no. Have it here. I don't understand why it's not working. Mm. Can you debug Go and debug? If I have to reload it. How do you use a debugger? Okay. Why though? Why? Yeah, I is already like a very large number. I have no idea why. It's not or okay, maybe this is end or never runs. Square root of 2. For one. Easy. Bam. But this one never. Yeah, you need to stop at some point. You need to stop at some point. So I was right. I was right. The more I'm actually quite close. The closer you are, yeah, I'm actually quite close. Easy. Zzz, zzz, zzz. I was right. I was right. This one's hard because like, how do you get close to it once you stop changing? Hmm. I wonder what it does. Shift. This is very interesting. How Compare. I wanna compare. Like, how do you get absolute value? Hold on. Abs, okay. Math that abs uh math that's correct. Maybe I want to see the difference. What the hell does that mean? If I do like one, just one iteration, right? There's a lot. So like I plus 0. Like I plus plus. I int equals 0. I equals to 0. Ah, I'm mainly talking about the cons iter iter. No, not. Yeah, I put it here. Let's say 10 iterations. That's interesting. But if I go 100 iterations, it's the same. Oh. Ah, because I also have I++ here. There we go. But I wonder why. I'm actually curious why. Is it improving? The more iterations, it's improving, right? Like the difference is like it's getting closer. See, it's getting closer. Yeah. Point 2. And 16, 16. Yeah. I guess it works. I don't know. I guess it works. Yeah. Interesting. Here is shifting. Hmm. Very interesting. Either way, like even if I put this here, right, it wouldn't get saved. It wouldn't get saved because yeah, it's in a private browser. Which okay, I know this already. Switch statement. Yeah. Interesting. You could also you could also do this. Initialize and then case. Interesting. Interesting. It will be Linux for me. Waiting for a remote server. my stream is still alive. Just making sure, just making sure. Oh wait, no, switch for case value case default. I don't know, not case default. Yeah. Net or yeah. Interesting. Interesting. I took math at random, right? Math at random. Right. Yeah, it's math at random, right? Oh, math at random. I wonder if that's the correct syntax. I'm not even sure. Hmm. Oh, okay. Okay. Random. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And then I'll just top to bottom. Hmm. You can't do that, right? If This is actually really cool. Like if you don't have a condition, you can just have a condition here. Condition. You need to have a default. Yeah, you always need to have a default. It's a thing with switch case statements. Defer statements. Hmm. It's actually a really cool func main. That's really cool. Lifu. Okay. Okay. So cool. So it reverse. Okay, yeah, reverse. That's so cool. Something done. The first statements are pushed to the stack. Lifu. So like func equals 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, format. It's in reverse. Okay, I'm done. I wonder what the next lesson is, but this is for tomorrow. Pointers. 27. This is for tomorrow. It's really cool. Yeah. I'm doing the exercises. There's no exercise for this. I don't know. Yeah, it's only exercise. This, yeah. Okay. So tomorrow, pointers. Pointers. Okay. How do you immediately like go to the menu? Top. Ah, this thing. Nice. Just more types. Okay, okay. Interesting. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. So done with that. So Just size one. Yeah. Oh, good percent had. Let's see that. Oh, this will be hard. I don't know what this is. Okay. Okay. I don't know what the hell that is. I went to my notes. Start protocol. One and two of. Okay. I'm just storing everything on GitHub. Okay, so I'll be taking a break. I'll be taking a 15-minute break. And I'll be coding from here. After this, I'll be go back to my project and I'll code a bit and then I'll sleep before I sleep. Yeah, I'll be taking a break. Or it's 15 to 20. It depends. I'll be taking a break. Bye bye for now. I'll be back. Maybe I'll stream for a bit longer. I'm thinking about it because I'm actually because it's past midnight now. I should be sleeping by now. uh, anyways, here's it. Mm, I'll just fix my camera, I guess. Mm, percentage type. Constants, no while loop and do while just for. It's not optional. Any controls optional. Okay. Okay. Good. VS Code. Fail. I should have a macro for this. Yeah, because I'm not allowed to use the Windows key. Okay. Get that pie. Okay. I want to review first. I want to review stuff. Host 3000. Okay. Before we start, I'm just gonna show you how it works. So it's an API. So I have this API, right? And then I can query. That's it. I can query stuff. For example, I can query ATM transactions that has this queries, and then if something is wrong, I get an error. Yeah. Yeah. Something like that. For example, here, 12 p.m. If I remove this, then I get more. I get entrance too, but like activity exit. Yeah. Something like that. Yeah. It's very simple. Very simple API. It's based from an app that I built before this thing, which is 50vil. It's a wrapper on top of it's not really a wrapper, but more like a, I guess you could say that, yeah, like a wrapper, because this is based on a game that is played using SQL. So like there's this database, right? This 50vil.db here. Where is it? Store, and then this database, right? Here. There's this database which has information inside, and it's a mystery game. So based on the things you query, you kind of try to catch the culprit. So that's the main concept. So like this game was originally for SQL, right? It's for you to practice your SQL skills, right? Because you're going to query the database, and then eventually you get closer and closer to the answer, and then you find the culprit. So I just built an app on top of it. So this is it, the 50vil. This is built using Flask blueprints. As you can see, where's the blueprints? Yeah, this register blueprint, and then SQL Alchemy. So Flask, SQL Alchemy, blueprints, and then for the front end, it's Bootstrap, Ajax jQuery. Yeah. And then now I'm rewriting this into Go. This is how I practice Go. This is how I practiced Go. Is just rewriting it, right? Rewriting it. But there's things that I wanna do first. Controller interviews. Okay. This is okay. We're gonna interview state. Maybe the model. Yeah, I think it's not. Yeah, I think it's in the model. Model interview. Yeah, here. This is what I'm saying. Where yeah, I'm writing everything here, which it's okay if it's like only a few, but like once it gets really big, right? Yeah, then it gets confusing. I can do that. Yeah. So I'm just going to rewrite this. For interviews, there's crime scene report. I can check the index. No, not here. I can check maybe here API. No. Was it route index at go? Okay. I have crime scene reports. I'm just going to refactor this, right? Percent plus v and then f. And then what's next? Crime scene reports, interviews. I'm already done with logs. Model. Okay. See, this is what I mean. It gets really, really big. I mean, really, really long. Plus v. Done. Are things that I can do? Still thinking. Anyways. Model airport. ATM transaction, no, not airport. ATM transaction model, ATM. Gets really, really long. So I'm fixed. That's why I'm going for the simplest one. I'll stop the server for now. Okay, okay. I think that's good. It's good for now. That's good for now. My stream is still alive. So I'm just going to do refactor. Actually, no, I'm trying to check the diff. I'm gonna check the diff first. Get diff. Okay. Refactor. Format string. So let's format string on struct instead of each field. Ah, phew. Get reset. And then the next is I'm already done with ATM transactions, right? I'm done with ATM transactions, I think. I already have the routes for it and it's already in my collection. Yeah. Next is people. So I guess I'm going to go to model. I'm gonna go to model people person. Other person. So func people. Get persons. Get people. Oh fuck. Actually, I'm curious if I can refactor it more. Right? I already have the type crime scene report. Do I need to reports crime scene report? I guess I could save a space, some space for that. Don't really need to return reports now. I don't really need to. Anyways. Yeah, list of person, and then people is a people filter. People filter. Struct. Okay. Let me check people. Routes. It's probably routes. People. Okay, so it's adjoining bank accounts. Okay. People ID. License plate. And it's also returning bank accounts. I'm curious, do I have routes for bank accounts? I don't have routes. I don't have routes for bank accounts. So I have people, but I don't have bank accounts. It's interesting. Yeah, but I have a table bank accounts. I guess it's tied to people. Okay, it's tied to people. Okay. Type people filter. I guess I filter on license plate. License plate. And account number. Int, right? Bank accounts. Bank account number is int. Yeah. Okay. And since person, model person, it has person account. Person bank account. Can you combine two types? I'm curious. Can you combine two types? Actually, no. I'll just expand this. Okay. So this is not people bank account. Bank account. Account. People account. I can. I don't want to call it people though. Yeah. I'm still thinking. I'm still thinking. I wonder. Month number, person ID, and creation year. Hmm. I guess I would just call it, but I'll change the type. Do this. Okay. Person bank account. Okay. And then what's it again? I keep on forgetting the model, maybe crime scene reports, so I can have a reference. And I keep on forgetting. Filters. For filters. Then query. Args. Or query select. ID. ID name. ID name, phone number. ID name, phone number, passport number. License plate. Account number. Person ID. I'm just selecting everything. Creation year. I don't need to select everything, but because I have this, right? We'll filter. I mean, this one. I wonder if I can do that, but like not. Hmm. 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 when you do like a scoped, if you think about it, I don't need everything here. I don't need person ID. I don't need. I'm still thinking about it. I join. Yeah. Name, phone number, passport number. Okay, for now, I won't think about it. I'll just query everything. I will not think about it. Okay. It's a problem for future me. I can still refactor this in the future. The account number is not equals to this string. Right. Lower with account number is ints. So not account number, license plate. Lower license plate equals args, and then the license plate. License plate is string. License plate is a string. Account number is number. Either way, it's a string, right? Because if I get it from, yeah, it will always return a string. Account number will always return a string. It's int. Okay, fine. What's int of empty string? Golang. I guess I'll do something about it in the future. Count number equals this args, and then account number. Okay. So it's done, and then query. Query filters, query, and then filters. Okay. Rows error star.db.query query args error. I can just copy this because it's kind of the same. And then I'm just going to change this to person. Oh, people. And since I don't have format, there. Then deferrals that goes. I keep on forgetting this. I still am not used to the syntax yet. Did I use person already? Ver person. What people? Okay, var people. Oh, this is person bank account. Account. Accounts. Var accounts. I can do var accounts. And then for rows that next. I can copy this. Var count and then rows that scan. Error. Rows that scan. And then this will be a lot. And just copy this. Count that D. A D name. A D name, phone number. D name, phone number, passport number. D name, license plate. Name, phone number, passport number, license plate, account number. This is what I hate about this, because this is like very prone to error. This is very prone to error. Phone number, person ID. And the last one is creation year. Okay. Not equals to no. Rows that's done. Oh no, close. Uh, okay. No, I have that. Next is I'm going to create the controller so that I could have this. But people.go controller.go. Okay. Then package controller. Let's start. Good start. And then this is like what I want to return. Not person bank account. Okay. So what I want to return is name. First name. String. I want to return name, phone number. Or is it a string? It's a string. Phone number. And remain. Name, phone number, passport number, license plate. License plate is string. And account number. Yeah, account number. I don't think the creation year is important. Bank account creation year. But an int. Why is the creation year an int? I'm actually curious. 2010. I'll just have it. So name, phone number, passport number, license plate, account number, creation year. Name, phone number, passport number, license plate. Okay. And then see gen contacts. I also defined the JSON name. Passport number, license plate, account number, creation. Yeah, okay. Then request URL that tree. Okay. Let's do that JSON, right? If I remember correctly, you need to return submission HTTP that status. Okay, and then people. No, accounts. Yeah. For accounts, person bank account. There. Wait, where am I returning? I'm not supposed to return anything. There. Then request. Then the filter. I'm going to define the filter as a model dot people filter. What's people filter again? License account number and just license plate. License plate is a string. License plate is strings dot trim space. License plate. Then account number is -1. Yeah. Then plus dot get. Okay. And then account number strings dot trim space. Request dot, I don't know what that is. Request dot get. Account number. Account number is not equals to but account number equals to int account number. Account there. Hmm? Account number is int, right? What do you mean? Let's convert account number. Uh, hmm. I think I know why. Goals, because I think Go has, yeah, Go has a specific way to convert strings to ints. Parse int. Okay. Their conv. E to I. Huh? There's error. Prints two values. Hmm. Or not equals to new. Hmm. That kind of sucks. Okay. Okay. And then people if copy this. Targeting. This is license date and account number. Right. Right. Hmm. Maybe. No. I think it's better to. Yeah, it's because this is directly tied to the request value. I think that's better. I don't know. License plate, an account. I don't know. I don't know. An account. Range. Okay. Accounts. Accounts. License plate, right? License plate, person. No, not person, bank account. Accounts. Okay, okay. Person, bank account. Name. Name is account that name. Phone number, passport number. License plate. Why is this wrong? Something like that. Okay. And then it's done. Okay. So that's the controller, and then now I need to create the route, right? I need to create the route. So people route, let go. Package. Then I need to get the crossing report routes. Okay. People as router group. Router as that group. People. After that get controller dot get people. Easy. And then I need to go here. I know, not API index that go, and then just register the route. And this should work. I think this should work. And then I'll just create a new request. Localhost 1000 and people. Then save this request. Rename slash. Okay. And then license plate. No, license plate. And then account number. Apple controller. I wonder. Okay. And then I'll just run it. Run that. And then let's check if it works. Let's go first here and then let's check if what can I query? Let's say no such table bank account. I know why. And then models. People, person. No such table bank account. Where is it? Yeah, just put this. And then start the server and no such column bank account that person ID. Okay. Bank accounts person ID. And then restart the server. I wonder what tree handlers mean. What the hell does that mean? Okay. Name, phone number. It's scanning. So the error is in getting SQL, so it's in model. Is the error? Scan name, phone number. Huh? Name, phone number. Scan error on. Index 2. Name is a string though. I wonder. What? I don't get it. Where's the error happening? So it's not here. No, it's happening here. I'm sure it's happening here, but I don't know where. It's scan error, so it's here. Scan error. Converting null to string is unsupported. Phone number. I know why. Maybe I have a this thing. Yeah. Now that's interesting. That is interesting. Okay, how do you deal with that? I'm curious. Oh. There's someone in chat. Lol, I'm sorry, but I'm not. I'm focused on coding. I'm sorry. Anyways, I want to solve this first. This is a curious problem because this is annoying because this is like a very, very common problem. Yeah, this is a very common problem. Like if Go doesn't have an answer to this, Go is a shitty language then. Go should have a language, an answer for this. So Go SQL, Golang SQL, DB has optional string column. That column is null. When Golang struct has string type row, null string. Ah, okay. This is okay. There's a type. There's a type for it. Finally, an optional type. Oh. Oh my god! There's actually a type for it. Null string. But the issue is now, this is a null string, right? The error would be what do you mean? Or is it a phone number here? Passport number is also, passport is nullable. I hate it so much. I hate it when you can can't you do not can't you do just null? I don't know what type this is. I want to know what type that is. That's integer. But like, how many bytes is that? I mean, not bytes. Oh, yeah. How many bits? How many bytes? Diagram. Premium license. Can you see it? No. No, it's not there. I wonder how you can see the. I want to see the columns. The you know, more things about it. Like, how do you see it? I guess you cannot see it. How many bits? SQLite. How many bits is integer type? Okay, 64-bit. I'm assuming this is 64-bit. Null and 64. And then here, let's go null and 64. Same thing with license plate. Equal that null. Right? There. Finally. But. Hmm. Now this will be hard on JSON. This will be really hard to hmm. Oh my god, this is annoying. How do you flatten this such that, it's an empty string or, I wonder how you flatten that. I want to flatten that. Hmm. Golang SQL null. And JSON. How to flatten and JSON. Yeah. JSON. Yeah, this is. Mm, yeah. Like, I hate it so much. Mm, uh, I'll just use that. It's so. Uh, then instead of doing this, I'm going to do null that string. Go mod null that ends, null that string, null that string. Okay. I cannot believe we have to do this. Let string and oh, okay. Did this work? Okay. Interesting. Hmm. Now I have a null type. Finally. Mm, yeah, yeah. Then count number is this. No such. Plus 6. 6. It's null. Interesting. Why is it null? Don't get why it's null. It's displayed as a string, right? It's a string. Why is it null? Why is it not? uh, what? Why is it null? Wait a minute. Let me close this. Then let me. Let me debug this. Oh, I really like it. Okay. Select query is okay. Error equals nil. There's an error. Why is there an error? Oh wait, no, it's not an error. There's no error. Never mind. There's nothing on accounts. Ah, because I haven't. It hasn't been closed yet. But apparently there's nothing. I wonder why. Let me check. Oh no. Let me debug again. I'm going to get the query, the query of it, right? I'm going to copy the query. I'm going to wait. Never mind. Where lower equals license plate, and then I can just get this. And then active connection. Oh. There's nothing. That is interesting. People. Where did I get this then? Where did I get this? What the hell? Yeah, I'm right. I'm right. What the hell? It's like wrong. I'm not getting anything. Same thing here. Ah, because of the lower. Oh my god. I forgot to change the. Okay. And then now this should work. Oh my god. There. Okay, I'm still live. I'm still live. And I'm done. I'm done with it. Easy, easy, easy. It's add slash people. Then just push it. Easy. I like the debugger of Go. It's so good. The debugger of Go is so good. I like it a lot. Okay. But yeah, that's about it for me. I'll be sleeping. It's like 1 a.m. I want to wake up early tomorrow. Yeah. Here's Ghost. Let me just enter this really quick. I don't get why why people do this. Is it like a elementary question or something? Yeah, like shoes cost. It's kind of like a trick question. Shoes cost $100 more than socks, and socks cost all the time. Yeah. But that's about it for me. It's raining. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but actually it's raining pretty heavily. Yeah. I'm just gonna end it properly, okay? Okay, so I'm ending the stream now. Bye. I'm not sure when I'll stream again. I'm thinking about it. If I can, I want to do it again tomorrow. But let's see. Because I haven't done my chores. I still need to do my chores. It's Sunday today. I mean, tomorrow. I mean, today. Yeah. Let's see, let's see. If I have time, I will stream late this Sunday. But I still have to do my chores, groceries, what else? I'll be going home. Yeah, that's about it for me. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye.